Good morning. Today we'll discuss about the types of beam. So first we will understand what is the beam. So beam is the component of any kind of the structure. So the beam is basically defined as one of the structural member used to bear the different kind of the loads. So it is the main component of structure, any kind of the structure. So we should know what kind of the loads which are coming on the beams. So types of beam, so in that we can understand the different 6 kind of the beams in this. So first one is the simply supported beam, second one is the both end, that is the hinged beam, fixed beam, continuous beam, cantilever beam and propped cantilever beam. So in that we will understand first, that is the simply supported beam. So the beam which have a 2 support, you can see from this figure you can understand this is the simply supported beam, simply supported by the beam only. Both ends are hinged, so in that case it is called as a hinged beam, where these both the ends are hinged by for this beam, it is called as a hinged support. Fixed support, both the ends are fixed, it is called as a fixed support. Continuous beam, in that case a continuously loading condition is happening, it is called as a continuous beam. Cantilever beam, in that one end is fixed and other end is free, it is called as a cantilever beam. And last one is the propped cantilever beam, in that case one end is fixed and other end is pinned or roller at other end. So in that case, so there is a different kinds of the beams, starts from the simply supported beam, both ends are hinged beam, again fixed support, fixed beam, continuous beam, cantilever beam, propped cantilever beam. So these all are the types of beams we should know, because whenever we are going for the design of any kind of the structure, so at that time we should understand what are the loads and what are the support conditions for the beams. So thank you.